Look at this. We got the crew back together at the new house, or the free rent house. Look, there's Chase being Chase. We are working on the exhaust of the Mustang. Word. Let me show you guys the new piece. It's over here. And bam, there it is. It is a bumper exit. From what I know from reading online, this is going to be too short. So I have more metal in the truck. I'm going to take it to a buddy's shop and he's going to extend it for me. But for tonight, we're going to test fit this, see if we can't measure where the hole goes, and cut a hole in my bumper, which I'm a little nervous about. I like to keep the car clean. No wrecks, no accidents, but now we're going to chop the bumper up and put a big old 4-inch hole in it. Actually, it'll be 4.5 inches, so that should be fun. But shout out to my On3 brethren, Jacob, for helping me with all of this. He just did this to his car. So once again, if you're interested in On3 kit, or you have one and want to know more about them, the On3 Coyote group on Facebook is where it's at. Lots of knowledge there. Use the search bar first. Don't just go on and ask a bunch of questions, because people do get frustrated with that. I'm one of them. I had to do a lot of research on my own. So do the same. Fill your brain with knowledge. And Chase got the first pipe off, so let me go over to him. Leave it on for right now. Look at that. Chase got the first one off.
That's a big snake.
Yeah, dude.
It's a slither like a snake.
We're doing this for the weight loss, right?
That's right.
That's all that's
Weight
for?
reduction.
Weight reduction. And noise reduction, hopefully, because right now, if I can show you guys over here, it currently dumps out right there, and it's really low to the ground, and so it just reverberates off the concrete, and it's super loud. So we're hoping going out the bumper will quiet that down a little bit. And my passenger might smell some more
It'll
fuel
be
exhaust.
awesome.
Yeah, but if we do get flames, it'll look kind of cool.
Totally worth it.
All right, let's button the other one up and see.
Send it. Oh my god.
Yeah, you can see it's
It's like 2 inches.
at least.
What was On3 doing?
It's probably more like 3 inches short, if not 4.
Yeah, see. You just melt a hole through it, screw it.
I mean, how do you even
That's wild.
cut the hole right there? How do you
Cut the hole.
know where to go?
I think you should get it extended before you cut it.
I think so.
Now. Yeah, I would just leave it like it is now. The rest of the exhaust is secure, isn't it?
No, not really. It has one bolt underneath over there.
Does it need to be perfect?
I'd say.
So Joey traced. I can't talk. Joey traced around the pipe with a Sharpie. It's a pretty good guesstimate, but what I'm going to do is have my buddy Dylan go ahead and extend this out, and then we're going to try and retrace it and see how close that is. All right, it's about to go down. We are about to cut the bumper. Well, Joey is, because he's got balls of steel. I don't trust myself. He does this kind of thing for work. Not cutting bumpers, but messing with metals and stuff. So the car is dusty as a son of a gun, because there's a fire pit over yonder, and they had a fire the other night and the garage door was open. But oh well, just a quick rinse. Oh, there's the hole. Oh my god, you straight up sent that, bro.
You can see Joey.
I'm nervous. Now we got to see if it lines up.
It's like a Band-Aid. You just gotta rip it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom rips it off for me, bro. I don't rip my own Band-Aids off. What are you talking about, dude? Holy cow.
Bro, there's a hole in your bumper.
I'm straight up nervous as the sun, dude. All right, yeah. See how that thing goes on. Good job. Thank you for doing that, so I didn't have to. Now I owe Joey dinner. Oh shit.
Oh, it's an oval.
Is it crooked?
That's where it should be right here.
No,
You're lying.
I followed the circle perfect.
Are you sure?
You recording?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, get all these.
It lined up perfect, so thank you, Joey. Now we're gonna start it. This is obviously not the finished deal here. So what I found out is On3 makes these for the 11 to 12 to fit perfectly, and on the 13 to 14s, for whatever reason, the bumper's wider. I don't know how that's a thing, but so 13 and 14 guys, they have to extend this pipe. So we extended it so it would touch the inside of the bumper. We're gonna cut this piece off and then add another piece so that it sticks out a hair and it follows the body line of the car.
You want to show them that piece?
Yeah, so this is the piece we cut off, and if we were to put that back on, that's about how far I want it to stick out. On this side, it's a little far, so we would just need to cut that off a little bit.
Get it angled with the bumper.
Yeah.
So whenever you're looking down.
But that's the perfect reveal right there. And then I have a black
ring.
Black ring for it. So I'm gonna start it up and see what it sounds like.
That's cool. That's amazing. That's cool. That sounds good. Yeah. Condensation on the pipe. I don't think it's perfect. I didn't perfectly like cinch it down. It's starting to make your bumper hot.
Well, I'm excited. We just need to get the pipe extended.
Finish it.
Yeah. So it just sucks that it gets so dark so early.
Yeah.
It's only like 6
Okay,
o'clock.
that makes it look bright because of Joey's truck.
Yeah, Joey's got all his bright lights on, so shout out.
Not even all of them.
Raised LED. Thanks for the lights.
Hey, use my discount code.
Yeah, Joey's got a discount code.
J Creeks 5.
Yeah, I would like to tighten that up down there so we can get it to stop leaking like that because it didn't do that before.
Yeah, it's just the condensation coming out of it.
Yeah.
Well, you got to seal that V-band too.
What do you mean? Line it up.
Yeah, you're not gonna put that like copper gasket seal stuff on it.
Oh, do we do that on there?
Yeah, on the rest of them, yeah.
I thought we did.
Oh, then we need to do that.
Yeah, so it'll
That's
send
what
all
all
that
that junk
condensation out that way.
That's what all that junk is on there.
Yeah.
On the mating surface.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty.
We got to take that back off so you can get it extended.
Yep. Alrighty. Take it off.
It's all hot.
It's hot now. Knock yourself out, Goose.
Is it hot, hot? It's
Oh.
dinner time.
It's dinner time. Let's go choose. Here, I'm gonna make
It's
sure.
not that hot.
Okay.
You can grab it.
All right, you got it, dog.
You're live.
We're live. Live action. That's the best one.
Yeah, it was.
You're gonna do slow-mo on that one?
Yeah, I can. I'm gonna get you drilling it though.
Mike's running away. Because I'm like right in front of it.
kind of rowdy.